Today I will teach you how to set an email alias on Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Outlook account. Once that's done, I want you to come to the far right where you see the settings icon. Click on it and it's going to show this dialog box. On the search settings, we want to type alias, and once we type alias, it's going to give us email aliases. Once you click here, it's usually going to ask you to verify your account, so you're going to have to log in again, but this is where you set the alias. Now I already have an alias set for my account. As you can see, this is the actual email, but this is an alias that I put on the email. So once you send an email to this address, it's going to come to my primary address. But let's go to manage and choose primary alias. So here you're going to have to add an email first. Once any email has been sent to that account, it's going to be an alias for this email account, or you can choose to add a number, and once you do that, it's going to add for it. And you can have multiple aliases, but you can also have a primary email, and you see this option to make this email my primary email. I can click on it, then this one becomes my primary email and this becomes my alias. Now that's how you set an email alias on Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.